Border Tribal Welfare Society denied the allegation of selling land to Naga people. This was informed through press conference held at Karbi Student Association's office here on Tuesday. The General Secretary of the Border Tribal Welfare Society, Mr. Leon Inglang, stated that the NGO has been set up for the welfare of the tribal people of the border area. He denied the allegation of selling land to Naga people, asserted that the allegations that has been made is totally baseless. Responding to the development, the Karbi Student Associations urged the people to work unitedly for the protections and for the welfare of the state boundary. The press conference was attended by Karbi Student Association, All Assam Students Union Regional Committee, Karbi Youth Organizations and many social organizations were also attended the press conference.
Regarding yesterday's allegation towards Border Tribal Welfare Society, they have mistakenly named our NGO also. The name of our NGO is Border Tribal Welfare Society, but they tried to call us Border Peace Development Committee. Where there is trouble, we require peace. But so far there is no trouble, there is no war, there is no misunderstanding. Therefore, it is not mandatory for us to name our NGO as a peace committee. Therefore, we name our NGO as Border Tribal Welfare Society. And through this Border Welfare Society, we are trying to bring friendship between the Karbis, the Nagas and the Dimasas, all living in the adjoining border areas. Therefore, yesterday one organization has blamed us that through the guidance of Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, those including members of the Border Welfare Society are involved in land selling of land. This is totally baseless and this is a false allegation put on.
Bukajan Block Congress Committee staged out an agitation against BJP government for deplorable road conditions of Manja to Dilai National Highway 36. The Congress claimed that it takes 10 minutes to travel via Manja to Dilai then. But as a result of pathetic road condition, it becomes 30 minutes road now. The protest rally was carried out here on Monday around 10 o'clock in the morning. Secretary of Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee Sotro Teron alleged that the proper roads have not been constructed since the BJP come into power. Adding more to the development, he urged the people not to vote for the BJP in the coming assembly election.
Go away!